Manipur hasteni Patimungno tei Belai sajamani koksaka Tipramothani MLA Nandita Reang MLA Swapna Debbarma tei ADC ni Doly Reang Patimungno tei Khorang selai Khorang saktharmungna harjaknani bagai phasalo kaisa kokthum panda khalai o sanmung tisaka borok
Lai thangnai 19 May salmario Manipur hasteo khoroktham ki burirongno richum korike kami bere rumani video social media o viral longmani yagulo hakotor te hasti gnangoi jakha ufla kafla Patimungno tei Belai kha khamjangmani logi samung sitra tangnai rongno Khorang bustum jangnani sanmung tisaka dal bidal NGO dal bidal motha ti thungkurung bodolni adongrok sagori chum korike kami lahar lampra bere rumani yagulo panthor kusaro tlangoi khoroksa kuki siklino rompreka kubun bosungni siklarok koksil samungni yakshi meiti bosungni ni faising Patimung lai thangne 4th May salmarini koktoma Manipur hastini Patimungno tei Belai sajamani koksaka Tipramothani MLA Nandita Reang MLA Swapna Debbarma tei ADC ni Doly Reang Patimungno tei Khorang salai Khorang saktharmungna harjangnani bagai phasalo kaisa kokthum panda khlai o sanmung tisaka borok
hambai media dapok sungno jengtini or press meet ma khlaiga tamni himale Manipuro jebabe gotna angkha o gotna belai khe sele masisa o gotna belai khe lasi masisa tam himala aro Manipuro 3 mas rominai aro jati gusti dangang laikha jati gusti nang laikha pia basingorote bunukha a jorabo network bondo khai rijaka jokhon network khlogo oho arai mas to Ogononuka, Ogotna Gangai 4 तारिख में नि गतना 3 तारिख में वो जखन बंगारा आंदोलन को स्टूडेंट रौना करनो तो ये 4 तारिख नि में वो गंगाई आरो उरपाती लाइका जखन उरपाती लाइफ्रुनाय काशा पाराव बरो खाबिका काशा पाराव न फरिका काशा पाराव न फरि पुरुनाय नक सकसा पुरुनाय किरिजा गइनाय बुरि खरकताम bolong kha khabai ke tai buma bu patongo a jorao police rok nugui nai borok no safety ni bagi nai borok no romuitu bokha romuitu boi nai jokhon a je gathering nai ro bai lama malai borok no kasui nai gari ni buthagri oi borok no narekha a jorao police bo borok no heno bar khai marika abo ungkhana public jokhon kebang bango aro bango asomoy police rok jodi kom kangkai phan payang gai thango omahai gotna phan ungkana to phan sanani musumo police rok omahai ke yafar kabu mani porebo bononi je tomung rok no bosung aro chitai klayo na khai klayo te bosung aro saimaka je obri rok no buri khorok tamno rom tumani jottoni sakni ri no khengi nai borok no rikri himrika a jagao tongo khoroksa 50 bosoni boyos khlai chini buri buku oburi bukhuk no hangka boro yakari rohka tai Khorang ni hangka 40 bosor tai 20 bosor borok no hangka tui parani je lama hamya je kacha lama o lama o himrika himtutui porjonto borok no sato gya jaga tangtho gya jaga aro rogo borok yagrikha omohai nuguinai mutri thanglia nuguinai mai totora lailia belai kha khamo omohai gotna no nugui omo buri rok ni uporo omhai jeba অত্যাচার khlaika omhai ke himri man porebo bor kaisa khetoni je kheto tlangai mai ni mai khetoni mai nara tlangai nai bono aro palkhai gonodorshan khlaika bare gengrep khlaika ab gengrep khlai mani pore chini o je Khorang ni buri bukhu borok ni boyan obono sung bujikha boni boyano media ni buskango o kokno saka tini o police ro borok ni uposthitite borok tongfruno omahai ke himri jakha iri kri khlai jakha tai gengrep khlai jakha ni bosaka tai police ro nirok khaina borok nasik tong hini je kok samani ang sanani musumu police proshashan police ain jotoni bagai no than ek je jagao buri rok no omahai kai je buri rok no chirik dioi buri rok no omahai kai osahai no omahai khai tongko borok argo busanani dorkar tongmani तेबो सानानि मुसुं आरो जे मुख्यमंत्री हिन तंगाय आरो मुख्यमंत्री को नीरव मुख्यमंत्री को किसु साया अबने बेपारो आसुक बाय थागिया आजागाव तिनि बिबिनो अमहायकै रिकरि हिमरि मानि नुबुइनाय खरकसा बुरै बुखुगनि बुफायं आमरि उइनाय बिबिनो बानचिदिनानि बागिनाय ब आगुगुइ थांफ्रुम गांगाय बनो जे बुथारै सिबिमानि अब बेलाय खाय अब निंदनीय बेलाय खाय नासले मासिसा अब बेलाय खाय जलि मासिसा अमहायकै जे बुथार मानि अमहायकै जे बुरि रकनि ऊपर अत्याचार खालायमानि तै कैसा गांका और बेलाय के कुथुकै वान सुबजांनानि कक गांकाय जे समय 4 तारिख मे वो गतना अंगो भिडियो भाइरल मानि 19 तारिख जुलाई अंगो 19 तारिख जुलाई मानि परेनो भारतनि मुख्यमंत्री भारतनि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ब आप्रोसे कक छाओ नरेंद्र मोदी जी ब साइमान तंगो जे मणिपुर जे अमहाय गतना गति तमानि मणिपुर जे अमहाय खलाई अमहाय गोष्ठी कुंडल उंगुइ तमानि अब शुद्ध भाइरल उंगुइ नमासे भाइरल उंगिया वो बमाहाय उंगुइ तंखाना फियाबा मोदी जी आप्रोसे बिनि थुमानि सिसाओ आप्रोसे ब कक छाओ इनके आं अबनो सानानि मुसुंगो जे जागाव पुलिस साइमानो जे जागाव मुख्यमंत्री बो साइमानानि क मुख्यमंत्री बो साइमानो तांगै अब प्रधानमंत्री न अकौरव न जानो गया अंखना तांगै प्रधानमंत्री हंकैबा आसो 3 मास दरिया और जे गुनगल उंतंगमानि जागाव जे आ जागाव प्रधानमंत्री वाइसापानो थांगिनाय अबनो सामाल रिया अंखना कै आं अबसे सानानि मुसुंगो जे बिनि जरादा करि नै जे जों सुजानानै थांखांखाय तेबो साइमानो जों खानाव प्रधानमंत्री आ जराव ओ 3 मास नि बिसिंगो ओ 3 मास नि जरावनो ब फ्रांस जापान नि अमेरिका रगो ब थांग बेरेखा अमहाय 8 जागा दा कयता जागा वो थांग बेरेखा असुर जागा से थांग बेरे मान नंखाय नों साजा बुदानि जरा करिखा मणिपुर थांगिनाय नों अगत न सामालिनानि आपनि बागेनो तिनि जदि भिडियो भाइरल nya हंकाय प्रधानमंत्री को अकक सागला कामु जदि भिडियो भाइरल nya हंकाय मणिपुर अमहाय जे बुरि रक अमहाय का सातक जातंगानि बुरि रक जे लासि मासिंसा खैरि खुगुइनाय अमका हिमरि माने अगत नानो भारत वर्षनि बर रक मुगला खामु ताबो जत्त भारत वर्षनि बर रक मुगुइनाय अबनो बा कन्डेम फ्लाइटं अबनि प्रतिबाद जानो गइतंगो तेबो सानानि मुसु नरेंद्र मोदी जी नो दति खलाइनाय एक्शन नाहादि अब वानसुब जातनानि कगया अब एक्शन नाहानानि कक्से तामनि हिमालय जे काल्पित और काल्पित खरकसाया और काल्पित खरं नै खरक तामिया और काल्पित नखा भिडियो फटिस स्राय के जों नुगुइ दङ और अंखा 30-40 जन मत बरक दङ काल्पित दङ बरं न चिन्नि तो खयि बरक न खरकसा के सिनि हुइ रमबुइनाय बरक न अरेस्ट खलाइदि दति बरं न फासि अर्डर मारिनाय जदि नों अरव जदि फासि अर्डरिया बरं न हाइन जदि फियगुइरि कांकाय अब शुद्ध मणिपुर बुथागला अब सारा भारत वर्षनि राज्यव अब सरगै थानाय और बिहार हिंदी उत्तर प्रदेश हिंदी और तमिलनाडु हिंदी जत जागाना सारगै थानाय ताम गिरेन्टि तंगा सारगे हिनाय जे जागाव पेंडेमिक कोरोना भाइरास जों खानाव उरंखापो आरंखापो हिनाय एरपरे त्रिपुरा हापायो ताबो अमहायनो उंनाय जदि अमताबो सुख जरते थाम गया जे दुसिनो शास्त्रिया हंगाय बररक देबो उफालबायनाय देबो बररक सिरंनाय नुखाय मकरबाय नुखाय सागो कलायो सागो मकरबाय खुंजुमै खाना गांकाय मकरबाय नुखाय सागो कलायबो अमहाय केनो जदि त्रिपुरा बताम ग्रेन्टि तंबा जे मणिपुर जे गतना गति तंगनि और गतिया आबनि बागिनाय नरेंद्र मोदी जी नो अबनो कबो नारनाय जे सामानी नरेंद्र मोदी जी बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ हिनी सामानी और वो तेबो भारत माता की जय हिनी सामानी आओ भारत उनका सम्मानित देश भारत उनका भारत माता देश और भारत माता देश न बांचिरिनानि बागै बा सम्मान जनक तरिनानि बागै नाय अमहाय नुंग्रामी सामुं तांनाय रंग दति खाय अरेस्ट खलाई बरंग कठोर शास्ति रइनाय बरंग अब bongni borno ekdom nini tampeni phasi or kunutai shastiya phasi rinani untun ni kobo munarugo bara kok saliya tam himale omo haike pradhan mantri jodi omo haike action na ta nangkai belai no chanai jodi action na ya nangka or srai mu tongui thanai bini kurchi kama goi thanai ob hangka ke brini sap tongnai aboni bagai ni kurchi banchira musung nangkai dodi ob brini je omo haike সম্মান hari tongani jaga bo jotoni nok nu khungono buri tongo omo haike nungrok khaklai di ni nai Narendra Modi thani koboguino ani koporam thata ham.
Thank you very much. The whole nation of our country, the entire Northeast, Manipur is one of the states of the 7 sisters of Northeastern states. We all are aware the situation, the burning issues in the last more than 2 months. It has been happening in Manipur. We all are very much aware of that. We could never hold back ourselves. We could never remain, no longer we could remain as silent spectators because of the very heartfelt, sudden incident that took place on 4th May 2023. 3 ladies, 52 years old, 42 years old, and 21 years old. 3 ladies were brutally stripped off their clothes. They were forcibly made them to walk on the road in the midst of the mob, and they were taken to the paddy field and vehemently, very shameful to pronounce, they were raped in the paddy field in the open space. By 21 years old girl was raped when the mob in front of the police, when she raised her voice to protect her dad and her brother, they stood beside her to protect her. But then the dad and her brother could not save her. These 2 men, the victim, 21-year-old girl, her daddy and her brother was on the spot murdered, and she was taken to the paddy field and raped in gang. So seeing that viral video in the social media, we have decided to come forward as a human being and also as a lady. We have come forward to speak. We are seeking justice for our sisters who were being raped brutally, shamelessly in Manipur. You can see this, our honorable member of Tripura Legislative Assembly, Mrs. Swapna Debbarma. She is the president of our Tripura Women's Federation, Tripura Motha Party, and she is our honorable MLA, Mrs. Nandita Debbarma Reang. And here you can see in our back, she is also our secretary, Mrs. Samila Debbarma, our TWF, Tripura Women's Federation secretary. And you can also see in my back, Mrs. Swapna Debbarma Reang. She is also the secretary of our Tripura Women's Federation. And we have got 2 ladies, our members. Today we could no longer hold back our grief that we have seen our sisters were brutally tortured, physically, sexually assaulted, raped, and their family members were murdered. We would seek justice for the women who were raped and also for the 2 men, a daddy and a son, who were murdered. And also the thousands of children who were sent away from the school because their schools were destroyed. And also the thousands of people today who are lying down on the open skies, on the ground without home. And the numbers of churches, they were burned in Manipur. And thousands of someone's husband, someone's brother, someone's daughter, someone's sister were killed. Even we could see from the social media some women pregnant. They were not even the newly born child also was not spared. They were burned alive in the ambulance. So seeing all this, we could not remain silent. Today we are bound to come to the social media and raise a few words for our sisters, for our brothers and sisters of Manipur. Problems will be there. In her every corner of the world, in every corner of the nation, or in every corner of the state, problems may arise. If there is a problem, there is a solution. We can find out solution. The government of India can bring solution. I don't understand why the government of India, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, is an international figure leader. But today, why he is so silent? Why the Prime Minister of India or the government of India took so long days, so long time to solve the problem of Manipur? And the BJP's motto is what? Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Beti Bachao, Beti Parao. Where is your this slogan gone? Where is your team? Your team, your words have said something, and your action behind the screen is something else. Your Beti Bachao, where is your Beti Bachao? Today your sisters, I should not be saying, but I am bound to say, our Honorable Prime Minister, he is also a married man, but he has never become a daddy. Maybe this is also one of the reasons that he is not seeing the pain of a lady who are being tortured, who are being murdered, the children who are being homeless, the children who they have to come out from the school. Today they are lying down in the paddy field like an animal. Maybe because he has never become a daddy. This is one of the reasons that he cannot see the pain, the sufferings of the people. We strongly request that government of India should solve the problem of Manipur from both the communities. Let government invite the social leaders, the political parties, and solve out the problems. How long can you watch? Or is it an entertainment for you? My question is the Manipur issues. You have played politics between tribes and tribes in the name of status. You are playing politics in the name of religion. You are playing politics, teaming out the sex is a way to penetrate politics in Manipur. This should not happen, and we will not tolerate. Especially we women, we cannot tolerate injustice being done to our people. We cannot tolerate this. That's why we are raising our voice. If Prime Minister of India can roam in the internation of the world and bring out solutions, then why not a small state in Manipur that such issues has been burning in the last 2-3 months? Why he is watching silently? If you only say, "Bhai aur beheno, I love you all." Seeing the Manipur condition, my eyes are filled with tears. My heart is filled with pain. If you only say your words, it is not enough. We want to see the action. Bring out solution. That will prove that you are a really capable and deserving Prime Minister of the country. We want to see the result. And who is the Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur? And Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur. Who is he? He is the Chief Minister of BJP in Manipur. Why this Chief Minister is enjoying in the last 3 months? He has taken these issues as an entertainment. He has seen the people crying. He has seen people being fled away from the houses. He has seen churches gutted down. He has seen thousands of people wounded and hospitalized. He has seen thousands of people killed. The innocent people are suffering out of schools, out of education. Children suffer. Out of food, people are dying. Out of diseases, people are dying. But why Biren Singh is showing his natak there? That means we are saying there must be some reason behind the parda. And the incident took place in 4th May 2023. But only one single man out of the gang, only one single man so far arrested after 77 days. This shows that operation of the police procession or the government of India is so weak to arrest those criminals. That is why they took 77 days. Or is it the reason that they want to enjoy? Or is it the motive behind the trials to be killed in Northeast? What is the motive behind? What is the motive behind? Why their operation is so slow? This is our question. Many questions arise. It is so surprisingly that after 4th May incident took place, the original video viral did not happen. It was hidden. But unfortunately, it has come out in the social media, the international saw. And only one man is so far arrested after 77 days. Then how is the government of India, the BJP government, going to handle the problems of the country? To arrest few men, if they take 77 days, then how are they going to function? How are they going to develop? how are they going to operate in the entire nation? This shows that government of India is really weak and incapable. Therefore, we strongly request the government of India to intervene it and bring peace, tranquility, order in Manipur state. And the remaining guys, whoever have involved in the rapists, whoever have involved in the rape, they must be arrested at the earliest.
Patimungno tiya hakotorni montri bokrok te Manipur hafangni montri okrani shaka wadal bidal kokshil shamungti shaka borok. Abo haikena Manipur haste otong kasang kifili tubuzak firnani bagoi nangmani shakthar mungna harjangnani shanmungti shaka borok. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.